Hi, I'm Kathy, and in this video I want to share a little more information about my health assessment deck. So this deck is divided into two parts. The first part is designed to help you get used to the flow of performing a comprehensive head-to-toe patient assessment. It'll teach you what to assess, the order of assessment, and also how to do those assessment items. The second part of this deck is really a reference guide to help you better understand expected and unexpected findings, normal range of findings, as well as more detailed assessment techniques. So I want to show you a couple of cards so you can get a feel for what's included in this deck. So in the first part, when you are doing your pain assessment, this is the pain assessment card. You'll notice on this card that there are a couple of items that have a magnifying glass in front of them, and that the text is in red and bold, which means that these are really key points that you definitely have to know. You'll also notice that there is some text that is italicized in a salmon color. So on this card, pain scale is italicized and in salmon. And you'll notice a call out to card number 38 at the top. So what this means is that if you need more information about the different pain scales, you can refer to card number 38, which is this card in the reference section. So on this card, it will list all the different pain scales for different age groups so that you can pick the appropriate pain scale to use when you are doing your patient assessment. So you'll find that logic really throughout the deck. If there are more details regarding the assessment, you can refer to the reference guide. However, those details won't get you bogged down as you're performing this assessment. They're really there if you need it and you need to refer to it. So I hope this explanation's been helpful, and I hope you love the deck. Thanks so much.